Alright, quick backstory on this call. The customer says the compressor continuously runs even with the thermostat set on off. So I'm guessing it's probably a stuck contactor, but we'll check it out once we get there. But I'll pick this up once I'm at the call.
And then suddenly I still hear that the compressor is still running.
Running, okay.
So I have to turn it off from the circuit breaker.
Okay, good.
So right now it's off on the circuit. Once I turn it on, it will run.
Yeah, I got you. All right, it could just be there's this little device called a contactor.
Yeah, the contactor.
Whenever it gets a signal, it sends the power.
Yes.
And when it gets old and pitted, sometimes it gets welded shut.
Yep.
So we'll check that out.
Thank you.
This it right here? Yeah. Let me go grab a ladder real quick so I can.
Ladder?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
I think I have one in here. I'll get it.
Oh, okay,
so you
yeah.
don't have to get it out.
All right, sounds good. Let's see. It's over 2 years now.
2 years.
Yeah, so not too bad. Okay, let's grab these. Ugh. That's their unit right there. Look at that view over there, though. Pretty nice. Pretty nice, pretty nice. 30 years old.
Yes.
So,
But the only thing with this is the previous owner of this only stay here half the time.
oh, okay. They never actually ran it then.
Yeah, it's
Interesting.
and at the same time, I also live here half the time because I have a house in Greenville.
Gotcha. So it's like a little vacation home.
Yep.
Okay.
Right now, since I'm retired, I'm staying here a little longer than.
Right.
So most likely, I will even call you when I need help on my house.
On the actual, yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Screw. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, I'll take a picture of it so you can see.
Yeah, hopefully it's not something big.
No, the contactor does look, it's closed right now, so let's.
Yeah.
Is the thermostat turned off by chance?
Say that again.
The thermostat, is it turned off? Is it on off?
Yeah, I turned off the thermostat.
Okay, so you should not be getting a signal to it. Let's see if we're getting a signal. So we got 0. Stick contactor, let's see. Boom. Still slow. We'll go ahead and replace it. We'll grab another one. Okay. Let's pull this disconnect just in case. Boom. Got a new contactor here. Okay. This is what the new one looks like. This one has a cover to it.
Okay.
That way it protects it. Lasts a little longer. Okay, let's see. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Good to go. Kick it on quick. gasket in there. Let's see this other one real quick. Alright, both got gaskets. Turn this back on. All these little jiggers, yeah. All this Spanish sea moss. Alright, let's kick it on. Check pressures. R22. Man, when I retire, I hope I can get something like this, dude. If God allows it. If God allows it. Alright, let's put these right here. Go ahead and put these up. Oh. R22, see. We'll give it a second. I just want to show you this. 1996. 30 years old, dude. Crazy, dude. R22. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Alright, pressures look good. R22. And we're projecting good heat. So, yeah, let me unhook my gauges now. Gasket fell out. Alright, I'm gonna go turn the thermostat up or off just to make sure it turns off. Let me just put this tool bag up. So I'm gonna just set it on 78 just to make sure it turns off real quick. Okay, it turned off. Take a picture. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for today. That was just, he already, based off the note, he kind of was a little, he knew a little bit about HVAC. He kind of knew that it was going to be a contactor. So, of course, it was the contactor. This is a 1996 Ruud system, Mark 22. Still kicking it. So, didn't find any issues besides that on the unit. So, got them back up and running. So, yeah, that's it for today. Today wasn't too bad of a day. I'll pick this up tomorrow. I do have a couple calls already. But, excuse me. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a good day, and of course see you guys tomorrow hopefully. Alright.